Hi, I'm Kicken Chicken again, and today I'm going to be playing with my fidgets. Starting with the squishy fidget. So this squishy fidget can actually light up. Let's see. Look at that. Is that cool? Okay, we'll put that down. Okay, moving on to the infinite cube, the next fidget. And this fidget is infinite. You can do infinite stuff with it. Look. You can put it up and down, across, make it back into a cube. And that's done. So this is going to be, I'm kicking chicken out.